Hi, my name is Bob Tremblay. I'm the Technical Product Manager for the Vision Sensors Business Unit. Today I want to introduce to you our new SensorView 890 Smart Display. This is a display unit for our Checker 4G vision sensors. This enables you to create and edit jobs that were created for Checker 4G, and also display and monitor inspection results from the Checker 4G series products. The unit is right here. This is a large industrial display here, 8.9-inch diagonal. When you order the unit, you're going to order it really as two components. It's going to be a SensorView 890 display unit, and you're going to order a compact flash card that we're going to sell separately, and this is going to retain the SensorView programming software on the compact flash card there. So for the first time you get the unit, a customer will again order these two components right here. They'll simply take the compact flash card, insert it into the side of the SensorView, pop it in, and then leave it in. And then that's all they're ever going to have to do. Now, so for subsequent firmware updates, as we make more functionality available, all they have to do is be able to download the software onto a flash drive and insert it into one of our USB ports on the side here, plug it in, upload the new firmware, much like you did with the older or its predecessor, the SensorView 350, and be able to perform firmware updates there. So, as I mentioned before, we have a couple of USB ports on the side here. We also have a PS2 connection for an optional keyboard and mouse attachment. On the side here, we have a on-off switch, 24 volts DC power. And it's Ethernet based, so you can integrate this into your factory network or connect a Checker 4G vision sensor directly to the SensorView unit itself. So it's very powerful, very easy to use device there. It's the interface is a replica of the PC interface there, so it creates a very similar user experience to what you have right now with the current PC-based interface there for Checker 4G series vision sensors. It's going to be a huge competitive advantage for the Checker 4G series as you compete with similar products there from other vision sensors who offer also a small touch panel display for configuration. Most of those are small 3.5-inch, maybe 4-inch displays there, which require going from menu to menu, and it can be very cumbersome and difficult to set up and edit. With our large 8.9-inch display, really our entire PC application really fits right on the display, so you have the exact same user experience again you have with the PC application there. This demonstrates really well. It's a very large screen there, so you can see it from far away, and it also it demos really quite well to small audiences when you're presenting the product. Most importantly, it gets us that message for Checker that no PC or laptop is required to set up and configure and monitor vision sensor activity from a Checker 4G series product there. So again, very powerful message, and something we're very excited about. Let me now show you a very quick demonstration of how the unit will be configured and edited, to show you just exactly how simple and easy it is to use. So let me set this up and connect this to my unit right now, and I'll take you through a quick demonstration. Okay. So here I have my new SensorView 890 that's connected to a Checker 4G 7. And I just want to show you just how quickly and easily you can get around on the new SensorView unit. So when you're demonstrating it to customers, you can really emphasize the ease of use and the nice large screen there that we're providing with the product. Also with the compact flash card, you're going to get a stylus that'll come along with the kit there, and a quick start guide that will instruct the users and the operators that for that first time anyway, that you need to insert the compact flash card into the unit there. Let me just take you quickly through a very basic demonstration there to show you just how nicely this actually demonstrates the Checker product here. So I've got my Checker 4G 7 configured as a measurement sensor here, and I've got a basic gauging application here for verifying that slots and the diameters of this component right here are aren't too big or too small. So I'm just going to kind of go through each of the steps here. You can see that my Get Connected step there, just like on my PC application, I have the unit that is directly connected to my SensorView unit there. It appears in the Connect To menu. If, again, I had this integrated into a factory network, I would see all the units that were connected directly through my SensorView unit there, so I could log on to each one, make edits, changes, or just monitor the vision sensor activity. So I can move through all the necessary steps here. I've got a pretty good image here, but I could also set automatically the image brightness. I can go to the Select My Parts trigger step here if I needed to make any edits to my production line speed. If I tap on this here, I have a keyboard control that immediately appears here, and I can edit and change values. Hit enter. Off I go. Changes here to any of the field of view parameters. I wanted to make that, say, 3.5 inches. Hit enter. Again, off I go. I can move to my Find My Part step. Again, it's very easy to add a part finding sensor. Just drag the stylus around the feature that you're looking to detect. Off you go, you train that. Again, just like Tracker, it'll track that feature. Go to the Inspect My Part step. And here I have it configured as a measurement sensor there for this particular application here. And I'm going to inspect for the height of this slot and the diameter of that hole. So I'm going to do a simple height check. And again, because Checker has a simple one-click setup, I can take my stylus, just touch the feature there, and show how quickly and easy I can verify the dimension of that slot. I can also add a diameter sensor. Quickly click on that right here. Again, show the results. Very, very powerful. As I move on to the next product right here, see this is where the hole is actually getting larger, and it's identifying that as a failure. And this is where the slot is also larger here, and it's identifying that as a failure there. Now, if I wanted to, I can edit the controls very, very quickly and easily. I can click on them. I can drag them to new values, change my parameters, change my values here. I can very, very easily manipulate the touchscreen display here to edit my Checker job here. And of course, I can then, if I'm done with this here, I can put this into a run mode, and I'll just put that back to where it was. I can immediately go to run mode right now and show you inspecting the parts there. But let me show you the setup logic step there that we have as well. And this is something that's also a very powerful feature there, because of other products that have small little displays for editing the device. None of them actually have a logic editor that's built into it because it's really just too small using a 3.5-inch screen to set up custom logic. But because we have this nice large 8.9-inch display, I can add custom coils and OR gates there to my ladder logic editor very, very quickly and easily. I can add a inspection here. I can go to my pull down here, and I can add my my diameter sensor here. I can logically OR in another sensor here. I can add in my height sensor here. I can change the name of my coil if I wanted to. I can make edits to that or what have you. But again, I can create custom logic to logically in and OR my inspection sensors very, very simply and very easily with this device here. I have my full Q&A help on the right-hand side here. Again, on the smaller displays, you really lose the benefit of having context-sensitive help. Again, because we have a large display, we can really display all that information right here, and you can touch on any of the questions, and you'll get the answers just like you do with the laptop and the PC application. I can assign outputs to my display here. I can change any of my results here. I can add in that that custom coil I just created, assign that. I can set my display and record. I can go to my run step here. I can save the job directly onto the SensorView 890 or the checker unit. And I can hit run. And now I have a nice runtime display. Display my checker results. And again, I'll be able to view my images and my statistics all on one screen. Nice and easy to use. You have basically the exact same user experience you have with our PC-based application here, all in this nice, nice compact little device right here. Again, this is our brand new SensorView 890 smart display, and I hope it really helps you out to sell lots and lots of checkers. Thank you very much.